How to log in Spotify in iPhone. Logging into your Spotify account, whether iPhone or Android, is pretty much the same process. So all you have to do is first launch the Spotify app. Now when you're here, if you have not yet have an account, you can create a new account by tapping the sign up button or continue with your Google, Facebook or Apple ID. But if you have an account, you can just tap the login button here and just make sure to enter your email or username. So just make sure to enter the email address of your respective Spotify account, or if you know the username, you can just enter that, but you can go ahead and just type in whatever else you want right here. After you've done that, you have to go ahead and then enter your password. Once you enter your password, if you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on the eye icon right here to view the password. In case you happen to forget your password, then you have to actually reset it, but not from the app but from your browser. Or if you want to log in without password, you can tap on login without password. You just have to make sure this email is logged in on your phone. It will send a link to this email, and then after that you will be able to tap on the link and directly log in to your Spotify account. This way you should be able to log in Spotify in iPhone. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.